Exercise 9.5 we were doing. Let's start question number 3. It's also same as 1 and 2. Here you are to find the flowing squares by using identities. And the first one square is given here, b minus 7 square. अब आपको square already is given है and you are to find out you are to evaluate by using identities. So you can see here we have given b minus 7 here. So which identity we will use here? So here, yes, we'll use second identity, which is x minus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. x के प्लेस पे b माइनस y के प्लेस पे 7 square. Here we have already x minus y. So बीच में यहाँ भी माइनस है, यहाँ भी माइनस, that means x b होगा और y 7, right? So here x के प्लेस पे b पुट करेंगे, b square plus y के प्लेस पे 7, that is 7 square minus 2 multiply b multiply 7. ठीक है? Now it will be b square plus 49 minus 14b. Already we have done this kind of question in question 1. It was like b minus 7 into b minus 7. फिर हम b minus 7 square करके identity apply करते थे. The same now we have given here directly square b minus 7 square. So we'll use identity x minus y whole square, which is x square plus y square minus 2xy. x के place पे हमने put किया b, y के place पे 7, and we got the answer b square plus 49 minus 14b. Right? Let's try one more now here. The next one is xy plus 3z square. Right? So now here we'll use first identity. A plus b also you can take when you have given xy. So you can take a and b in identity. When you have given ab, then you can use xy in identity for your convenience, right? A plus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So at the place of a, we have xy plus 3z square is equal to xy square. We will use bracket here because we have two variables together in multiplication, plus 3z square. Here again we'll use bracket because we have constant also, coefficient of variable also, plus 2 multiply xy multiply 3z. Now solve it. Xy square, that is, if you will open it, then you will get x square, y square, plus then 3 square 9, z square, plus 2 into xy into 3z. Constant को multiply करोगे तो 6. Then variables are here x, y and z. Right? This is your answer now. X square y square plus 9z square plus 6xy. Next, there is 6x square minus 5y whole square. Again, we'll use here identity a minus b whole square. Square में आपके पास दो ही identities हैं, either a plus b square or a minus b square. So we'll use a square का square, ठीक है, where a is 6x square. तो 6x square का square हो जाएगा plus 5y square minus 2 multiply 6x square multiply 5y. Right? It's 6x square का square. प्लस 5y स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू 6x स्क्वायर इंटू 5y। ठीक है, फिर सॉल्व करेंगे। 6 स्क्वायर दैट इज 36, x स्क्वायर इंटू स्क्वायर दैट इज x रेज टू पावर 4 प्लस 5 स्क्वायर दैट इज 25, देन y स्क्वायर, देन माइनस कांस्टेंट को मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 10 इंटू 6 60, x square and y as it is, right? So this is your answer here. Okay, let's try one more, then I hope you can complete this question number 3. The next one is here 2 upon 3m plus 3 upon 2n whole square. Solve it. 2 upon 3m square plus 3 upon 2n square, a square plus b square plus 2, a is here 2 upon 3m into b, that is 3 upon 2n. So now it's in fraction, so you will solve it like 2 square is 4 upon 3 square 9, m square plus 3 square 9 upon 2 square 4, n square plus 3 and 3 will be cancelled because it's multiplication, 2 and 2 will be cancelled. What is left here? 2mn, right? So now complete this question number 3, where we have to use first two identities, either a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. Now in fourth question, we have simplified. That means we are to use any identity here. So you, according to your observation, you have to choose. आप खुद देख के चूज करेंगे कि आप यहाँ पर कौन सी आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, एंड इन सिंगल क्वेश्चन यू कैन अप्लाई वन और मोर देन वन आइडेंटिटी, right? Like the first one is here a square minus b square whole square, right? It's a square minus b square whole square. So here we'll use second identity because we will take a square as x, b square as y, then we find it as xy whole square, right? So we will use this identity x square plus y square minus 2xy. ठीक है, x के प्लेस पे a स्क्वायर, y के प्लेस पे b स्क्वायर, then whole square, same we'll do on the right side, a square, already one more square is here, so it will be square. Same here also, y के प्लेस पे b square, again there is one more square, then minus 2 into x के प्लेस पे a square into y के प्लेस पे b square. Now solve it. Powers will be multiplied. When we have one number is having two powers, then it will be multiplied. So a raised to power 4 plus b raised to power 4 minus 2 a square b square. So what is the difference here only? जब हम a minus b square लेते हैं तो होता है a square plus b square minus 2ab. यहाँ पे a square minus b square का square है, so it's a raised to power 4 plus b raised to power 4 minus 2a square b square. This is the only difference here, right? Next part is here 2x plus 5 square minus 2x minus 5 square. So how to solve this? Now here you have to use two identities. First in this, second in this, right? First में a plus b whole square apply करेंगे, second में a minus b whole square. When we will open this, it will be a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. फिर माइनस, जब भी माइनस हो तो हम ब्रैकेट यूज करेंगे. Then a minus b whole square identity we will apply. It will be a square plus b square minus 2ab, bracket close. Now we'll open it. 2x square, that is 4x square, 5 square, that is 25, plus 20x, फिर माइनस ब्रैकेट ओपन कर दो, सेम 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 25 माइनस 20x. अब ब्रैकेट के बाहर माइनस साइन है तो इनसाइड साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे. 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 25 प्लस 20x, it will be minus 4x square minus 25, 20x नेगेटिव है, प्लस में हो जाएगा, प्लस 20x. ठीक है. देन 4x square cancel, 25 cancel. What is left here? 20x plus 20x, 40x. And this is your answer because in the question it was simplify. मतलब आपको सॉल्व करने, आपको जब आप आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई करोगे तो आपको प्रॉपर सॉल्व करके दिखाना. दैट मीन्स इफ यू आर हैविंग लाइक टर्म्स यू विल सॉल्व दैट. नेक्स्ट we have 2.5p minus 1.5q square minus, almost all of the parts are same, 1.5p minus 2.5q square, 2.5q and whole square. So now again with as same as the previous question, we'll solve this, we'll solve this one, and then we will subtract. So if we'll solve this one, then it will be a minus b whole square identity we will apply here because there is minus. So it will be a square plus b square minus 2ab, then minus, अब माइनस है तो ब्रैकेट यूज करोगे, फिर से a square which is 1.5p square plus b square that is 2.5q minus 2 into 1.5p into 2.5q. ठीक है. अब सॉल्व कर दो एंड ब्रैकेट क्लोज. 2.5p square, 2.5 into 2.5, 6.25 p square. Solve it. 1.5 into 1.5, 2.25 q square. Then minus 2.5 into 1.5 into t into 2, sorry, 2.5 into 2 करेंगे 5.0, 5.0 15 को 5 से करेंगे 75, right, then it will be 7.5. 2.5 into 2 5, 5 into 15 75, 1.5 into 5 7.5 p q. Then minus bracket 1.5 p square that is 2.25 q p square. Then 2.25 q square that is 6.25 q square. फिर minus 2 into 1.5 into 2.5, multiply this. 2.5 को 2 से करोगे 5.0 that is 5, 5 को 1.5 से 7.5 pq. Bracket close. Now we will open the bracket. Before bracket there is minus sign, so inside signs will be changed and it will be 6.25 p square as it is, then plus 2.25 q square, then minus 7.5 pq, then minus 2.25 p square, Then again, this will be changed, minus 6.25 q square. Then minus का change हो जाएगा plus 7.5 pq. Now 7.5 pq positive negative cancel. Otherwise, if you check this, like this 6.25 p square minus 2.25 p square, it will not be cancelled, but it can be solved because these are like terms, right? Then it will be 6.25 minus 2.25, that is 4.00, 4 p square. 2.25 q square minus 6.25 q square, plus minus minus sign is of greater number, it will be again 4.00 q square, that is 4q square. So our answer is here 4p square minus 4q square, right? Now complete this question number 4.